Yeah, hi, good evening, friends. Today discuss about how to create interactive reports. Let's start. This is our application demo page, and here create page. Click on this, create on play page, and click on interactive report, and here HR details, page number 3 created, and name is HR details, page mode normals, and my workspace Jitendra Gupta, and table name is already created table names, Gupta Cloud employee, all employee details here, and click on this and create page. Actually, I automatically created here, and click on this save, and HR details, and here is the column name, employee ID, employee name, department and salary, join date and status. Click on save and click on run button. Here created HR details. In interactive reports, five columns there: employee, departments and salary, join date and a status. Here is the action in the sense columns, filters, data format, chart, group by pivot, reports and download. Here is the future of interactive reports. In brief, I discuss about interactive reports in Oracle application Express. uh, in interactive report is the dynamic reporting component in Oracle Apex that allow user to view, filter, sort, search, group, and download data and directly from web page without writing SQL query. Purpose of the interactive report: the main purpose is to make data analysis easy for users. Instead, develop writing multiple report. One interactive report allow user to customize the report. And here is all how interactive reports work. SQL query tables use the data source. These are the interactive reports. And also feature of the interactive reports. Feature of interactive report. Search button, find a specific record, quickly filter, display only selected records, sort and arrange data, ascending or descending, group by group data by columns, highlight row based on condition, aggregate column sum, average count. And there is the all feature. You can real time business use, for example, HR employee dashboard. HR employee dashboard is search employee, filter department wise data, analyze salary distributions. And here is the interview question. Interview question is the interactive report is the powerful reporting feature in Oracle Apex that allow user to interact with data dynamically by performing operation like filtering, sorting, grouping, and downloading without modifying an SQL query. Here is the future. Future in the sense columns, filter, data in the sort, aggregate, complex, flashback, format. Format in the sense control, break, highlight, and row page. One and two and three and four, five and five. There is the five columns. You want to click on this and format page roll 15 and all 15. Bug is there. All report format is there. Also click thousands, all data is there. Okay. And also click on this reports, save report, reset, download reports here, downloaded CSV, HTML, Excel, PDF. And thank you for watching this video. Next time, how to create classic reports. Thanks.